Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I was inspired by my shirt. It's Luxe's brand merch. I absolutely love this shirt. I was inspired to do something pink and purple. Just added some glitter. Interested, please continue to watch. I'd really appreciate it. And let's get on to the video. I'm going to be using two palettes. The first one's the BH Weekend Festival palette. And the second one is a Viseart 10 Matte Warm palette. I use the Benefit Boiing concealer all over my lid. And I use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4.5. This top shadow, it's like a creamy color. It's the only one that I use for this look. So for the first shadow in my crease, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this color called Electric, and I'm going to use my Sephora Pro number 10 blending brush. I'm going to take this purple color called Swag. I'm going to take this color on my actual crease, and I'm taking a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to take Electric again on my Sephora crease brush to kind of diffuse those two colors together. I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that Swag color. I'm going to take this Sephora brush and blend those again. My Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. It's like a really small pointed brush. I'm going to take the Viseart palette and this color, the creamy color. I'm going to put that underneath my brow bone. I'm going to take the Sephora brush and just blend those out. I'm going to take my Morphe brush and just smooth all these out together. And I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to take that pink that we took in the beginning called Electric, and I'm going to put that all over. And then I'm going to take this NYX mixing medium using this Mayron Paradise glitter. It's like a purple, it's like a light purple. It's super pretty. I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully I don't drop it. And it looks like that. You can see it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm going to take the same Morphe M421 concealer brush. I'm going to begin putting this all on this area where I'm wanting to cut the crease. I'm going to grab some glitter, same brush. I'm just going to pat that on. I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to take some more of the Swag color from the BH palette. I'm going to put this all on this outside. So it's kind of not wanting to blend right here. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the NYX mixing medium on the same Morphe brush. And I'm going to try and kind of blend the glitter and the shadow together. I'm going to take Swag again on the Morphe brush. I'm going to take the Sephora number 10 brush. I'm just going to blend mixing medium. I'm going to go over that because I feel like it's getting a little bit patchy. I think with these kind of products, you have to work really fast because they dry down so quickly. I'm going to take my micellar water and I'm going to clean up all this glitter. That's one thing about glitter, that if you are going to be using it, it can get so messy. The lashes that I'm going to use today, it's the Allure Luxe XL Faux Mink, and this is the style Indulgence. And I'm using the Duo Glue, the green one, and while that sits there, I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Wet n Wild and Bretman mascara. I'm excited to see it on my lower lash line. Like that, just a little layer. Okay, now I'm going to add my lashes. Guys, these are with the lashes put on. I usually don't go for this style that's longer in the middle. I usually go for more tapered out lashes, but I'm loving these. They look super pretty. They kind of open up the eye right up in the center. I'm gonna start with my foundation. Y'all know Urban Decay Stay Naked, my tried and true. For foundation brush, I'm gonna be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. It's like a kabuki brush. And I do have a couple breakouts going on right now, so I'm gonna add a little extra foundation. And now I'm gonna add the concealer using the Benefit Boiing Concealer in the number 5. And I'm going to be using my Sephora concealer brush to blend this concealer out. Foundation brush, and I'm going to try and buff that out because holy moly. Just going to go in for one last blend. And I'm going to grab my Eco Tools sponge with butter setting powder from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to take my Cover FX setting powder in the translucent shade, and I'm going to set my whole face. I am buffing away a little bit of that Fenty powder just to keep it right under my lash line. I don't need it all down here anymore. And I use my Morphe Jeffree Star JS1 brush to set my powder. And then for my T-zone, I am going to take my KVD Vegan Beauty Lock It Foundation Powder in the shade Medium 155 with the same brush. And I'm only going to put this on my forehead where I have a little bit more breakouts right now. Actually, not right now. I actually have them on my forehead all the time. That's like my area where I break out. Can you guys believe I still break out? I'm 25. I'm just patiently waiting for the day that I stop breaking out because I really, really appreciate it. Now I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. It's the JH02 brush. And I'm going to take my blush, and today I'm using the Melt Cosmetics blush. It's called Cali Dream. I'm using a Morphe and Jeffree Star JS20 brush. It's an angled brush. I'm going to take my powder brush. I'm going to take this Laura Geller highlighter in Diamond Dust. It's like a pink iridescent, and I'm taking the Morphe and Jeffree brush, the highlighting brush. And I'm going to put this on my cheekbones. Just because I have the whole pink vibe going on, I kind of wanted to keep the pink going. I don't do like colorful highlighters usually, but I said, hey, why not? Why not today? I'm just taking my powder brush. I don't know why I love highlighting my cupids though. I know not a lot of people do it, but I can't stay away. I'm going to take my Eco Tools brush and I'm going to bake right underneath that to just kind of clean it up. And I'm using the Fenty powder. Now I'm going to finish up my under eyes. I'm going to use the Morphe JH39 brush. Again, that little pencil brush. And I'm going to take, it's a bit of a deeper pink. It's called Dippy from the BH palette. I'm gonna put that all underneath my lash line. And I'm gonna take the little detail brush from Real Techniques. And I'm gonna take Swag, that purple shade. I'm gonna take this pencil brush from Morphe again. I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take the brown in the palette. It's called Hipster. Take a little bit more of the Fenty powder because I am gonna do mascara now, and it tends to want to set in this area. And I'm taking the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild collection mascara. Do you guys see those bottom lashes? This nice mascara. Okay, now I'm going to take my Tarte Brow Gel. I'm going to take my Sephora Collection Blonde Ambition eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in my inner corner. I'm going to take the color in the BH palette called Trixie. It's a champagne color, and I'm using the same Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to dust away. I'm going to use a slime cream lipstick. It's called Riley. And I'm going to kind of outline my lips in this because I do want to wear the gloss from also Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild. So I'm only really going to outline my lips. So there I kind of outlined them, and I'm going to now fill it in with the Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock lip gloss. This is the color Fearless. I dust away the Fenty powder, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. A bit more highlight because I feel like it's in the way. Take my setting spray. I'm using this Jane Iredale hydrating mist all over my face. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more. Hopefully I have another video coming up soon. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Any future looks you guys want me to do, let me know. Bye guys. Sephora. Close this glitter because we do not need any of that negativity. The style Indulgence. They're the faux mink Luxe XL. I said that. Hold on, I've been recording for 23 minutes. No way. Holy shit. You know what? Sometimes shit just doesn't want to work. That is a-okay. And my bronzer. Why am I yelling? My husband's home. Yikes, what's for dinner? Oh, she's strong. She's real strong.